Hello guys, good morning. So andito ngayon sa driving school para kumuha ng Theoretical Driving Course TDC by the LTO as a mandatory requirement for the application of Student Driver's Permit. Isa sa requirements ng LTO para sa non-pro at professional. Hello guys, bago kayo sumakay sa motor o sasakyan, kailangan i-double check nyo yung tire, yung gulong kung flat ba siya o hindi, yung kung nagpapangsyon yung ilaw niya, yung signal light niya, at kung yung brake niya okay, at yung clutch niya okay, at yung speed niya kung okay, at yung oil niya kung okay. Lahat yan i-double check nyo, pati yung side mirror. Sa TDC, kailangan makonsume nyo yung 8 hours. Start na kayo magmotor, so ipapractice nyo yung mga traffic sign. At dito rin ituturo at ipapractice yung tamang